You colorful punch. Face it, Faker. You're no match for our power. Faker? Sonic, he looks nothing like you. Agreed. He's much more cooler than the last hedgehog I fought. Dude, I'm standing right here. I know. Wait, that was you? What do you mean more? Come on, man. We spent the whole last movie fighting. I'm sorry. You hedgehogs look all the same. Oh, what the hell? That's kind of racist, Knuckles. Why? I do not participate in motorsports. No. Racist means you discriminate. I do not discriminate. I destroy all hedgehogs with equal, yes, minimum force. Watch, I shall do that right now. You think I need any of your pathetic power? Maybe. I only need this. You really need to stop saying that. Yeah, I know. Don't. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.